What if I told you that while everyone was panicking about the market earlier this year, I identified 5 AI stocks that have crushed the market with an average return of 142% over the past year? And here's the kicker. These aren't your typical overpriced tech darlings. These are companies with real momentum, solid fundamentals, and surprisingly reasonable valuations that most investors are completely overlooking. I'm Warren, and this is exactly the kind of contrarian opportunity that gets me fired up. While Wall Street chases the obvious plays, I've been digging deep into the data using advanced quantitative analysis to find the real gems in this AI revolution. Today, I'm sharing my complete methodology and revealing all 5 stocks that could be your ticket to market-crushing returns. But first, let me show you why this moment in AI investing is critical. Here's what most investors don't realize. We're not just in an AI boom, we're witnessing the birth of an entirely new economy. President Trump's administration just unveiled the AI Action Plan with over 90 federal policies designed to cement U.S. dominance in artificial intelligence. This isn't just political theater, this is a $500 billion commitment to American AI leadership that's going to reshape entire industries. The numbers are staggering. AI companies raised $52 billion in just the first quarter of this year, driven by SoftBank's massive $40 billion investment in OpenAI, the largest venture capital deal in history. But here's what gets me excited. We're still in the early innings. The AI inference market alone is projected to explode from practically zero to $255 billion, and most investors have no idea which companies are positioned to capture this growth. The infrastructure demand is insane. Microsoft is reporting 5 times growth in AI token usage, while Google saw 9 times growth to 480 trillion tokens. These aren't just impressive statistics. They represent a fundamental shift in how business operates. And the companies I'm about to show you are the picks and shovels plays that will profit regardless of which AI application wins. Now, here's where I separate myself from every other YouTube finance channel. I don't rely on gut feelings or hot tips from Reddit. I use Seeking Alpha's advanced quantitative system that analyzes thousands of stocks across hundreds of metrics, including value, growth, profitability, earnings revisions, and momentum. To find the cream of the crop in AI, I analyzed holdings from the 3 largest AI ETFs, BOTS, Robo, and AIQ, then filtered for only strong buy ratings with exceptional performance across multiple categories. I'm looking for companies that aren't just riding the AI wave, but are fundamentally transforming their industries while trading at reasonable valuations. My 5 picks represent the entire AI ecosystem: specialized semiconductors, advanced connectivity, cloud computing, and agentic AI. These companies have returned an average of 11.8% just in the past month, 77.6% year to date, and a crushing 142.8% over the past year. But more importantly, they're positioned for continued dominance as AI infrastructure demand explodes. Stock number 1, Taiwan Semiconductor, TSM. My number 1 pick is Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, and recent earnings prove why this is the most important company you've never heard of. TSM just reported a 61% surge in quarterly profit to a record high, driven by explosive AI chip demand. Revenue jumped 38.6% year over year to $30 billion, crushing analyst estimates. Here's why TSM is unstoppable. They manufacture chips for Apple, NVIDIA, AMD, and Qualcomm. They're not just riding the AI wave, they are the AI wave. Their high-performance computing division, which includes AI applications, now represents 60% of total revenue, up from 52% last year. The company raised full-year revenue guidance to 30% growth, and they're investing $510 billion through 2040 in Taiwan's AI infrastructure build-out. From a valuation standpoint, TSM's forward non-GAAP PEGI ratio of 1.15 represents a 39% discount to the sector median. You're getting the world's most critical AI infrastructure company at a significant discount to its peers. With forward revenue growth of 27.7%, nearly 4 times the sector median, and 10 positive analyst revisions in the past 90 days, this is a no-brainer position. Stock number 2, Freshworks, FRSH, and stock number 3, Celestica, CLS. My second pick is Freshworks, a cloud-based software company that's quietly dominating the AI-enabled customer service space. FRSH serves over 68,000 customers, including American Express and Shopify, and their Q1 results were outstanding, beating expectations and raising full-year revenue guidance to $824 million. What I love about Freshworks is their forward non-GAAP PEG of 0.82. That's a 57% discount to the sector. You're getting premium AI software capabilities at a value price. Their gross profit margin of 84.4% is 68% higher than the sector median. And they received 14 positive earnings revisions, with 0 negative ones in the past 90 days. Stock number 3 is Celestica, and this company has been an absolute rocket ship, up 117.8% year-to-date and 301% over the past year. CLS manufactures critical electronic components for AI data centers, and they're the dominant player in this specialized niche. They just raised 2025 revenue guidance after crushing Q1 expectations, with adjusted operating margins hitting 7.1%, the highest in company history. UBS recently highlighted Celestica as a top AI infrastructure play, expecting continued beat and raise quarters driven by demand from the top 5 hyperscalers. The forward revenue growth of 17% is 137% above the sector median, but it's the momentum that's truly spectacular. 229% one-year price performance that's over 6,000% higher than the sector average. Stock Artificial Pagaya Technologies, PGY, and Stock Artificial CommScope, COMM. My fourth pick might surprise you, Pagaya Technologies, currently ranked as the #1 technology stock by quantitative metrics. PGY uses AI and machine learning to revolutionize consumer lending, processing millions of loan applications annually. They've emerged as the leader in AI-powered credit decisions, from auto loans to buy now, pay later services. The numbers are incredible. They recently updated Q2 revenue guidance from $300 to $326 million, and they're targeting network volume expansion from $10 to $25 billion over the next 3 to 5 years. Despite a 200% rally, the forward non-GAAP PE of 12.99 is still 47% below the sector median. One analyst has a 5-year price target of $148 with expected annual returns of 39%. My fifth pick is CommScope, ranking number 7 out of 540 technology stocks and number 1 in communications equipment. COMM provides AI-powered data center infrastructure and networking solutions for hyperscalers. Their enterprise fiber business grew 88% year-over-year to $213 million, and Deutsche Bank recently added them to their Catalyst call-buy list. The valuation is stunning. Forward GAAP PE of 9.13 is a 63% discount to the sector, while the forward PEG of 0.21 is an 89% discount. Long-term forward EPS growth of 42.6% is 203% above the sector median. This is deep value with explosive growth potential in the AI infrastructure boom. Here's my investment thesis in a nutshell. We're witnessing the greatest infrastructure build-out in modern history, and these 5 companies are the critical infrastructure providers. The Trump administration's AI action plan provides massive tailwinds through deregulation, infrastructure investment, and export promotion. But I'm not just buying growth at any price. Each of these companies combines exceptional momentum with reasonable valuations. TSM trades at a discount despite being irreplaceable. Freshworks offers enterprise software margins at a value price. Celestica dominates a specialized niche with pricing power. Pagaya leverages AI for massive market expansion while maintaining reasonable multiples. CommScope provides critical infrastructure at deep value prices. The risk is real. AI valuations could correct, geopolitical tensions could impact Taiwan Semiconductor, and competition is intensifying across all sectors. But with average returns of 142% over the past year and strong fundamentals across the board, these companies have proven they can execute in any environment. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's here. And the companies I've shared today are the ones building the foundation for the next decade of technological advancement. While most investors chase the obvious plays like the mega-cap tech stocks, these 5 companies offer the perfect combination of growth, value, and momentum that creates generational wealth. If this analysis opened your eyes to opportunities you hadn't considered, I want you to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. I spend countless hours analyzing data and identifying these contrarian opportunities, and I share everything I find right here on Warren's Money Buffet. Drop a comment and let me know. Which of these 5 AI stocks interests you most? Are you positioning your portfolio for the AI infrastructure boom, or are you still sitting on the sidelines? Remember, the biggest opportunities often hide in plain sight, disguised as companies with reasonable valuations and exceptional fundamentals. Don't forget to check out my premium Substack, where I do detailed portfolio reviews and share additional stock analysis. The link is in the description below. Until next time, keep building that wealth, and remember, sometimes the best investments are the ones nobody's talking about yet.
Stack it up real high. Come here to be in the know. Come here, enjoy the show. 'Cause it's Warren's money time.